Ladies and gentlemen, gather round as we embark on a moonlit journey through Australia's great outdoors. Australia's great outdoors is home to a cast of colorful characters, but few are as eye-catching as the Bandy Bandy snake. This nocturnal wonder, with its bold stripes and secretive ways, is a true hidden gem of our native wildlife. Oh, the Bandy Bandy snake, black and white so neat, rings around its glossy form a marvel you can't beat. Vermicella annulata, a hoop snake by name, in colors bold and wondrous, it earned its fame. When daylight fades and rain has kissed the ground, out slips our hero, on prey it's bound. Blind snakes 10 to 15 centimeters long make the perfect supper as night hums its song. Silent it glides, under moonlight's beam, a specialist hunter in a midnight dream. Watch it flicker fast in the dim-lit glade. Predator's vision stutters, afraid to invade. Coiled in brilliant hoops, so wide and grand, it says, "Don't bother me, I'm not worth your hand." Yes, the Bandy Bandy snake is harmless to most folks. Its venom mild and local, no Shakespearean strokes. But heed this friendly warning, with snakes you must be wise. Treat every bite as urgent. Seek help without disguise.